Thank you for your support too. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Not for us, go Pete. The one that.
This one, wait a minute. You David? David Sawa? Open it. So that's yours? Are you David? Go open it. Yeah, you're David, right? Oh, kuya. Wow. That's alright. Oh, kuya. Wait a minute, David. What did you for the...
Sorry.
Is that the one you like, kuya?
Yeah.
Game board?
Mommy,
You can share with David. Okay, wow. Show it to mommy.
I want to show it to Joker because he likes
Yeah,
this
okay.
video game. Mommy! I think he will win.
Okay.
It might get... All the cards might go like this. Look. Look how many cards are there. How can I did? Scissors. If we can cut the tape off.
Yeah.
No!
Just rip it up.
Fine. If we rip it up and like cut off. It might be. Where's your card?
Wow.
Hang on, where's your card?
May I see, baby? Oh, wow.
There's a big one.
Yeah.
Look at the back. Look at the back.
Oh.
It's even coming to inside. Even the door open. Even in a room. Can I open it?
Yes, please.
Even the door opens. Even the door opens. Go ahead.
Oh, David, oh. That's for you.
Who's this one?
What's that?
Mommy, what's this one?
Wow. What's that? What did you get, David?
So small.
Oh, wow. Oops.
That present's so big.
Yeah. Be careful when you're like in the kuya.
I can't wait to take pictures.
Clothes.
It's really.
Wow.
I want some. Can we open it?
Yeah, Daddy will help you.
Oh, not.
You're a big boy now, kuya. So that's why I didn't get you a toys.
Oh,
What's that? That's for what?
David Tower.
Oh, David. From Kuya Matthew. You open it first.
Open it, then
Oh.
it's.
What do you have?
Oh.
Wow. What is that? What is the gift? Wow. Did you make a card for David, Kuya?
Yes.
Ay, Macy, baby? You're not gonna read it? You're not gonna read it? Macy? Ah, you can read it.
I can read it.
Ay, that's sweet.
I'll read
Ay,
it. Okay, I'll read it first.
you read it. Read. David, put it down the toys first.
Dear David,
Mm-hmm.
you're the best brother in the.
You listen to Kuya David. Wait a minute, Kuya. David, you listen to Kuya what he
The
wrote.
planet. I love because I get to carry love from Matthew. And
Wow.
look at the back. It's
rude. You need to hug Kuya. Hug Kuya first. David, Daddy will take care of that one. You hug Kuya. Say thank you, Kuya. Yeah, no fighting anymore? Walang suntukan? Okay.
Did I just
Oh, Jesus, David.
Okay.
Okay.
This is written.
David made that, Kuya.
This is the drawing. Hey.
Why you throw it? That is David made that. Macy? David wrote it to you. Oh, love, heart. It means he loves you. Open the...
It's
Open it, please.
It's a picture.
It means a lot to David. You say thank you to your brother. That is meant a lot. It's mean a lot to him. You say thank you.
Thank you. Now
Say thank you to David, Kuya.
Thank you, David.
No, I don't like that.
Can we open these presents for Mommy?
Jesus, David. This for mommy.
And this is for Daddy.
For daddy. Can you open for mommy?
Just be careful. It's paper.
Okay.
I made this at school.
David really
There
this.
it goes.
Oh, wow. Wow, okay. Merry Christmas,
Oh, Sister's David.
mommy. There, mommy. Merry Christmas. I hope you have a happy new year. Thank you for everything you have done for me. Oh my God. Oh my God, Kuya, this is nice.
Look at the back.
Oh, thank you, Kuya.
On the, look at the back. Oh, something.
That is so sweet, Kuya. You ripped it off.
Let's see. I'll forget it.
Ayan, ang wrote ni Kuya nakakaiyak, nakaka-touch. Dear Mommy, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a Happy New Year. Thank you for everything you done for me. Love, Matthew. My God, Matty! You make Mommy cry. That's amazing.
Okay, is that all the presents?
Thank you, Kuya. Love you. Thank you, David.
Is that all the presents? Here's a pieces.
It is for me?
It's it comes
This from David. A special Christmas wish.
okay, open the present.
Wishing you sis of gladness, sis of cheer. Sabi ko, oh my God. Nakakayak naman itong mga bata na ito. Ito si Mami from David. What is this one, David? Ay, this is the one he make at school. Oh, wow. Did you make this one at preschool? Oh, Diyos ko mga bata ito. Puro si Mami. You drew a flower for Mami? Wow. Ay, si David, saka si Mami. Wait a minute, Kuya, please.
Who's this present?
Did you make that at school, baby? Oh, that's so special. Come here, baby. What's that? Ay, Mommy and David again. Wow. What else? Nothing. It's cartoon. Oh, what happened now? Yeah, keep this one.
For me?
Yeah, you can wait. Share to Kuya, okay?
No.
I think you need scissors. There's Daddy's first.
Oh my God, there's lots of Tintin.
Ah, wow!
Tintin. Look at Candy. That's blue.
That's Gru and... Advocate calendar. Did I trick you, Daddy? I know you got a new shoes. Garbage truck. Wow, yeah. Kuya Storm. Wow.
I always wanted this! I always want this! What's that? An electric switch. I want the electric switch. It's an electric switch, Mummy.
Yeah.
Even it's Pokemon's.
Wow, that's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Mommy!
Is that for...
Mommy? Now to hang. Now I can fill it. I can dump the recycle. Because it's recycling. Even you can do this.
I think you need to put it down,
And
baby.
you can do anything with it. If it's broken, or I'll be careful with it. This is what's this?
Oh,
thing?
Jesus.
This is why.
Careful.
Useless.
This is from my client.
This is
I get
useless.
a body scrub
This is useless.
and Sense butter caramel butter. Yeah, caramel butter. Ooh. And this one. Oh, nice. Okay. I think this is for you boys. You love it, David? You love it?
Okay. I think all the time you have to go home. I think I'm thinking